Built in 1956, this charming home offers a convenient floor plan with 2+ bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The front covered porch has recently had a new floor installed. It's a peaceful place to relax and unwind from a workday. Beautiful mountain views surround entire property. Less than 2 miles from downtown White Sulphur Springs with easy access to Route 60 and I-64. Large mudroom on the rear of the home. (12.9 by 18.9) workshop with covered carport. The 0.25 acre lot feels very spacious, offering plenty of room for a garden, pets and safe play. Spacious living room offers plenty of room for a large dining room table. Master bedroom. Bedroom 2. Bathroom. Office. Kitchen offers plenty of storage and room for a small breakfast area. Large mudroom/utility room offers plenty of room for extra storage.